Hi friends, let's learn the names of the fruits. Oh no! The fruits! It's disappearing. Where has it gone? Let's look inside this Minnie Mouse bag. Here is a piece. It's a watermelon. Watermelon's a fruit. I wonder what's inside the suitcase. There is a pair of sunglasses and another puzzle piece. We found grapes. Grapes is a fruit. Let's open this tiny, shiny bag. There is another piece to the puzzle. Strawberry is a fruit. Let's place a strawberry between the watermelon and the grapes. You spot a puzzle piece? You're right, the avocado. Avocado is a fruit. Let's open this Play-Doh tub. There is yellow Play-Doh inside and a puzzle piece. Pear. Pear is a fruit. Let's place pear beside the avocado. We have an orange ball, but that's not what we're looking for. It's turned into a puzzle piece. Oranges. Oranges are fruit. Let's have a look inside this bowl of balls. We found a piece. It's a pineapple. Pineapples are a fruit. Look, we've found bananas. Let's place bananas on the board. Let's open this bag. We've found a piece. It's a peach. Peach is a fruit. Let's have a look under these 3 cups. Nothing under the red one. Let's check under the orange. Let's check under the blue. We found a piece. Cherries. Cherries are a fruit. Let's place cherries on the board. Well done, we have finished the puzzle. Let's learn the names of the fruits. Watermelon, strawberries, grapes, oranges, pear, avocado, bananas, cherries, peach, and pineapple. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fruits. Well done.